Hi friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Ashwani Kumar, an academy educator for the subject NTA UGC NET Electronic Science as well as the General Paper 1. If you are not yet subscribed the channel, then please do subscribe and then click on the bell icon. Then you are going to get all my updates and videos as the immediate notifications to your devices. And now while coming to the present content of the video, here the vacancies are announced for the teaching positions and for non-teaching positions also from the Raja Balwant Singh College, Agra, and these vacancies are for the departments Home Science and Agriculture, guys. So the recruitment in Krishi Vigyan Kendra. So click on this one. I mean, here the two different vacancies notification are there. So one is from ITA and second one is from Agra. So I will show you both the two notifications. So applications are invited for the posts in the Krishi Vigyan Kendra supported by the ICAR at Agra, and subject matter specialist 3 posts are there and the pay band is given here. Home Science 1, Agriculture Extension 1 and Horticulture 1. So qualification required is master's degree in Home Science, Agriculture Extension or Horticulture or any other branch of science or social science relevant to the agriculture or equivalent qualification from a recognized university. Maximum age limit is a 35. And next one is program assistant, that is lab technician, 1 post is there and the pay band is mentioned, and the qualification is bachelor's degree in agriculture or any other branch of science or social science relevant to the agriculture, and age limit is 30. So here applications on prescribed application form which will be available in the office of the principal, RBS College, Agra at main campus on 200 rupees in cash or 250 rupees through DD in favor of principal, RBS College, Agra, duly completed along with the self-attested mark sheets, certificates and testimonials should reach the office of the principal through speed or register post only at latest by 26th November 2020. Okay, and application form will be available up to 19th November 2020. Fine, it is a one notification. And the another notification is it is from ITA campus, subject matter specialist 2 posts are there, same, Home Science 1 and Agriculture Extension 1, and the qualifications and the pay bands, everything is same, and the program assistant computer 1 post is there. So for this one, the bachelor's degree in agriculture or any other branch of social or social science relevant to the agriculture or equivalent qualification from a recognized university. And next one is a assistant, so 1 post, a bachelor's degree from a recognized university. So that means any bachelor's degree, because there is no specially mentioned here. Age limit is 21 to 30 years, and applications on the prescribed application form which will be available in the office of the principal at main campus on 200 rupees or in cash or 250 rupees through DD in favor of principal, RBS College, Agra, duly completed along with the self-attested mark sheet, certificates and testimonials should reach the office by 26 November 2020, and application forms will be available up to 19th November 2020. Okay, so these are the two notifications, guys. So the candidates who belongs to these departments, you can apply, and please share this information or this video to your friends or colleagues who belongs to these departments. And to get more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows, so please listen, guys. Hi guys, my name is Ashwani Kumar and welcome to my channel. This video is especially for the candidates UGC NET Electronic Science. So the people who are going to write the exam in this 5th November 2020, here the Unacademy is providing the crash course that is titled as Crash Course on Electronic Science through Multiple Choice Questions. This course is going to start from October 1st onwards, and by this month end, the course is going to be finished. And by the starting of the November month, you will be ready with the class PDFs, and all the 10 units will be explained in brief. That means the important concepts, formulas, points, definitions, expressions, all these things we are going to discuss in this crash course, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the JRF in this 2020, guys. Okay, so apart from this one, the Unacademy is also providing the full course or else a complete course for the electronic science who are planning to write the exam in the upcoming months or the upcoming years. So here the different subscription plans are there. That is 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months and 24 months. So out of all these months, if you want to take the crash course, then you may prefer this 1 month, or else if you are planning to write the exam in the upcoming months, you may take the 3 months, 6 months, 12 months or the 24 months, But if you are planning to take the subscription plans, then use my referral code, that is Ashwinik. Then you will get the 10% discount on any one of the subscription plan. Okay. So apart from these plans here, before going to take all these things, first of all, refer to my Unacademy profile link. Okay. So in my profiling, that I will provide this link in the description box of this video. So if you once enter into my profiling, then you may check down. That means here the special classes are available. Special classes are the free to everybody. Okay, so just click on the see all. Then whatever the special classes I took, that means the free classes I took, that all these classes you can access, guys. Okay. So career opportunity with UGC or non-UGC net electronic science, and regarding the previous year questions, here the 2017, 2018, July and December 2018, and the June and December 2019, all these questions are discussed here, and these classes are completely free. Okay, so first check the way of explanation whether you are understanding here or not, and then you prefer the subscription plans, guys. Okay. So it is the update that I want to provide to the candidates belongs to the UGC NET Electronic Science. And for more updates, please subscribe the channel, and after subscribing, tap the bell icon. And please share this information to your friends or colleagues who are going to give the exam for the UGC NET Electronic Science. Thank you, guys.